Hey Traveler, it's Katie here with Thrifty Traveler, and today we are going to go over Hyatt's brand new award availability calendar. Now, Marriott and Hilton have both had their own award availability calendars for quite some time now, but with Hyatt, you haven't had that calendar view. You've essentially had to search night by night to be able to find that award availability you're looking for. But now that is no more. Hyatt has their own award availability calendar, and we are so excited about it. So let's jump in and I'll show you exactly where to find it. All right, so to start off, you're going to go to hyatt.com and then you'll type in either the name of your hotel that you want to stay at or the destination. So for this example, I'm just going to type in London. And then I'll keep the dates as is. I'll keep it the 16th to the 17th of September. And then you'll want to make sure to hit use points. And so I'll hit find hotels. And then it will pull up a list and a map on the right side. You can scroll down and see what hotels are available. I've heard great things about the Andaz London Liverpool Street, so I'll hit this hotel. And then you'll see this little points calendar button, which is where you want to go. And previously, this points calendar just showed theoretically how much each night would cost using points, but it never coincided with the exact award availability that you were looking for. But now it does, and it is so much better. You even have some filters at the top, so you can change how many nights you want to stay. You can change how many guests are going to be there. And then you can also select whether you want a standard room, a suite, or a premium suite. So you can cycle through the months and see that, okay, there's not availability this weekend, but there is a lot of other availability throughout the month as well. There's also the little icons that will show you if it's off-peak or if it's standard. So that is super nice as well. This is off-peak. So if you want to get the most bang for your buck, look for this little off-peak icon. And then once you're ready, you can just go through over here to the left and hit sign in or book now to just go directly to checkout. If you want to use any of your suite upgrade awards that you sometimes get if you have status with Hyatt, you have to be able to find award availability for those suites. And so this makes it super easy to use those award upgrades. So if you want to find a standard suite, it'll tell you how many points it is if you want to just book it outright. Or if you want a premium suite, it'll also tell you how many points it is, which is super nice and just overall fantastic. I love this change. So normally Hyatts are available around 13 months in advance. So you can scroll basically almost all the way to the end of the calendar to see what nights are available. So let's go back to this map, and if you scroll down, you'll see all of these different options. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Smith is a newer brand under the Hyatt umbrella, and they are dynamically priced. They do not follow Hyatt's regular award night prices. So if you hit view rates, you'll notice that there is no points calendar button that you can click on. Since they're dynamically priced, you'll just have to scroll and click on each day to see how much each night would cost. This one is pretty pricey, so if you're going to London, I recommend looking at one of the other properties and not this one. But overall, this is a great new change, and we are super excited about this award calendar because it makes it so much easier to find award nights. Thanks for watching. Overall, Hyatt's new award availability calendar makes it so much easier to search for and book hotels with points, and we are so excited about it here at Thrifty Traveler. It's sleek, it's easy to use, it's easy to find, and it'll make our lives so much easier. If you thought this video was helpful, hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to receive hotel deals bookable with Hyatt points directly to your inbox, sign up for Thrifty Traveler Premium Plus at thriftytraveler.com/premium. Thanks and happy booking.